Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures, and I'm going to show you my favorite battery charger in the world. Right there. Okay, can you see that? It's a Battery Tender Junior. Okay, it has a 5-year warranty, smart power, it says. Now, I'm going to go through a few things. I'm going to tell you why I like this charger. Number one, it's 750 milliamps. So it's small, it's not going to boil things down. It's a charger and maintainer. So you take your battery out of whatever you have, put it on something, don't put it on concrete, put it on a piece of wood or whatever, hook this to it in the fall, walk away. In the spring, it's still fully charged, it's maintained. Now, this works on 12-volt lead acid batteries, it works on AGM batteries and gel batteries, so pretty well covers everything. Fully automatic, it's fully automatic, compact, smart, powerful. Now, this, okay, it's spark-proof protection. I'm reading this off the box. Spark-proof protection, reverse hookup protection, so you don't cross the wires when you're trying to charge it. 12-foot reach. It has ring terminals, apparently. Now, it's for power sports like your snowmobiles, your motorcycles, automotive, fully automatic. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just hook it up and leave. And this is why I like this. I've used these. Now, apparently this one's supposed to be smaller, but I've used these on my motorcycles and my cars for years. These are, without a doubt, the best ones I've ever used. And on my motorcycles, I literally hook them up and I leave. That's it. I put them away for the winter, I hook them up, that's it. When I come back in the spring, they're fully charged, the batteries are working perfectly, I'm good to go. I'm going to break this open and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Ooh, the unboxing. Now, I got this on sale. I think it was, I paid like 30 bucks for it. I got it on sale. Now, I'm in Canada. Things cost more in Canada. But, got it on sale. Okay, so we have your instructions, which I already know how to use one of these. And inside, you have your cables. Now, these are the ring terminals. You see, okay, I should explain this. Right here, these are the clamps, you know, that you can clip onto your battery, whatever, if you want to do it that way. Now, if you're leaving it, say you have a motorcycle and you just want to hook it up, but you want to keep it charged between use, you can actually attach these to your battery terminals. They're red and black, so you attach them. It's fused, and you run this out in an inconspicuous place, this piece right here. Okay, run that out in an inconspicuous place, and then when you're not using your motorcycle, you just pull up and plug this end in, and it goes pretty simple. That's all the ends are right there. So one plugs into the other. So you can put that, hard hook it up on your bike or your snowmobile or whatever you want, your car, whatever, and when you're not using it, you just plug it in. See? Now I'll do this for you. Likely it's pretty easy to most people, but see, and they just go together like so. Done. So, and it's got a pretty long cord on. Now this is smaller than the ones I've had before, which is nice. Again, so I'll show you how easy it is to hook this thing up. So, I'm gonna do this outside so you can see it. So I'm gonna take this off here. Now, again, like I said, you take off the one cap, you take off the other cap, okay, and you put them together. Pretty simple, right? Now, these ones, I'm going to hook onto the battery. Okay, now from here, it's about as simple as you can get. You find out which is your positive and negative, okay? So somewhere on this, okay, that one has the negative. So you put black on negative, red on positive, and there's one thing, you take an extension cord and plug it in. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now let me explain these colors. Okay, So you see how that's just red? I don't know if you can get a good look at that. That's just glowing red, okay? So when that glows red, it says whenever the light is red steady, battery is connected properly and the charger is charging the battery. The red light will remain on until the charger completes its charging stage. Green light flashing, so when that light starts flashing green, it's 80% charged. And when the green light is on steady, that means it's fully charged. Now, if that red light was flashing red, okay, if it was pulsing red, that means the voltage of the battery initially is below 3 volts. So you want to give it a harder charge or maybe a little boost or put it on a little heavier charge. You got to remember, this battery charger is to maintain your battery. That's it. So it maintains a battery over the winter or over the summer, depending on what type of equipment you're using. And it'll do the job. You hook it up, forget it till you go to drive. Well, guys, you can't get much easier than that. Like I say, I paid a little over 30 bucks, so you might be able to find them online cheaper. You might be able to find them somewhere cheaper. Like I said, I'm in Canada, so things can get a little pricey sometimes. But it's put it on, forget it, till you go to use it, take it off, and away you go. Best battery charger for maintaining a battery over the summer or winter for your power sports, your cars, or anything. The Battery Tender Junior. Check it out, take a read on it. It's worth it. And don't forget to read the instructions. I don't, because I've had these a million times. Anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. I hope you found this helpful. You know, if you're putting away your lawn tractor or your hot rod or whatever you want, or maybe in the summertime you're putting away your snowmobile. Anyway, guys, you take care. Be safe on the road.